From the Minnesota state capitol to the streets of Chicago, union organizers showed their strength in numbers with rallies coast to coast. Their target, the United States Supreme Court.
We don't believe that the Supreme Court should have a say in how our individual unions are ran.
That's Crystal Irving, a children's social worker, a member of SEIU Local 221.
I just love children and families, and I believe that every child deserves to grow up in a loving and protected home.
The Supreme Court case she mentioned was brought forth by a man who argues his right to free speech was violated by his union, which compelled him to pay dues which were used to support political causes he disagrees with. But if he wins, Irving says her job security would be in jeopardy.
There's no way that I would do this job without a union.
Rally organizers brought in liberal heavyweights including billionaire activist Tom Steyer, as well as labor rights icon Dolores Huerta.
American public needs to understand the importance of labor organization because they are the ones that got us the 8-hour day, our weekends, Social Security, unemployment insurance, all types of safety standards.
The plaintiff in the Supreme Court case argues public sector unions are a danger to taxpayers, with expanding government debt and bloating pensions. But Huerta calls that a corporate ruse.
Labor unions are the ones that create the middle class of our society by raising workers' wages, giving workers benefits. And if you do not have a middle class, then we do not have a democracy.
And that decision could come sometime soon. The Supreme Court is scheduled to begin opening arguments on this case on Monday. Reporting downtown tonight, Matt Boone, 10 News.